Have you ever wondered how wealthy people always seem to make the right move long before everyone else even notices what's happening? The truth is, they don't rely on luck, they rely on better tools, better data, and smarter systems. Today in this video, you're about to discover 15 real, factual tools the rich use to grow and protect their money, backed by reports from BCG, EY, Capgemini, and Altrada. We're counting down from 15 to 1, and the final one might completely change how you see wealth forever. 15. Global Economic Forecast Tools, IMF, OECD, Trading Economics. Let's start where wealthy people always begin, big picture data. Most people make financial decisions based on news headlines. Wealthy individuals rely on real sources like the IMF's World Economic Outlook, the OECD's economic projections, and Trading Economics real-time updates. These tools show interest rate forecasts, GDP trends, inflation predictions, and market indicators long before social media catches up. Every billionaire reads macroeconomic signals because the big money is always made by understanding the big trends. If you've ever wondered why the rich seem prepared, it's because they're not guessing, they're informed. 14. AI Personal Finance Monitors, Mint AI, Personal Capital, Rocket Money. Here's a hook most people don't expect. The wealthy don't actually track every dollar themselves. They let AI do it. Tools like Personal Capital and Mint AI track spending, analyze fees, monitor subscriptions, and evaluate investment performance. In 2025, AI-powered personal finance tools became mainstream among wealthy millennials who want automation to manage their money flow. While everyday people try to budget manually, wealthy users rely on systems that identify waste, optimize saving, and show a complete financial snapshot instantly. Money doesn't grow by accident, it grows by management. 13. Altrada WealthX Database. Now we begin stepping into the tools the average person never hears about. Altrada's WealthX database is used by wealth managers and family offices to track global wealth patterns. Their 2025 report revealed that over 426,000 ultra-high net worth individuals now control 32% of global millionaire wealth. WealthX shows where wealth is rising, which industries are booming, and how UHNWIs behave. Why does this matter? Because wealthy people learn from other wealthy people. They don't copy the middle class, they copy the elite. 12. PitchBook. If you want to know what companies billionaires and private equity firms are buying into, PitchBook is where the truth lives. This database tracks every private equity deal, venture capital round, institutional investment, company valuation, and exit. In 2025, PitchBook became even more important as alternative investments grew rapidly among wealthy clients. Investors use it to analyze trends the public never sees. By the time a startup becomes popular on social media, wealthy investors already saw it months earlier in PitchBook's data. 11. Real estate analytics tools, CoStar, Zillow Premier, Redfin Analytics. Real estate is still one of the strongest wealth builders. But rich people don't buy property based on good vibes. They rely on CoStar's commercial intelligence, Zillow Premier's pricing insights, and Redfin's migration and rental trend analytics. These platforms show school zone desirability, commercial growth patterns, rental profitability, and neighborhood demand. According to BCG's 2025 Global Wealth Report, real estate remains a core asset class for millionaires. If you've ever wondered how the wealthy always buy in the right neighborhoods, these tools are the reason. 10. Fidelity Personalized Planning and Advice. Fidelity's advanced planning system gives wealthy individuals long-term financial projections based on real market data, inflation numbers, and investment returns. It ties together retirement planning, tax optimization, trust management, and multi-generational goals. Fidelity reported that high-net-worth clients under 45 massively increased usage in 2025 because they want clarity, not confusion. Wealthy people love this tool because it shows exactly what their financial future looks like and how to adjust today to get the outcome they want. 9. Morgan Stanley Next Best Action AI. This one is a game changer. Morgan Stanley's AI platform processes tens of thousands of data points, market shifts, tax rules, interest rates, and client profiles to recommend personalized actions for each client. In 2025, over 15,000 advisors used it globally, and it influences billions of dollars every single week. Wealthy clients get recommendations like, increase this holding now, or shift funds for tax efficiency. It's like having a financial guardian angel that never sleeps. 8. UBS Global Family Office Portal. If you've ever wondered how wealthy families manage multiple assets, trusts, businesses, and investments at once, here's the secret. UBS's Family Office Portal integrates global research, real estate insights, private equity data, and tax intelligence across countries. In 2025, UBS reported rapid growth in family office services as the world prepared for the $83.5 trillion wealth transfer expected by 2048. Capgemini WWR 2025. Rich families use this tool to protect and pass down wealth, not lose it. 7. Capgemini's Wealth Tech Ecosystems. Capgemini's 2025 wealth report stated clearly, AI has moved from optional to essential. Wealth tech ecosystems combine AI, portfolio algorithms, predictive analytics, and hyper-personalized advice. These systems, used by private banks worldwide, help the wealthy optimize investments, minimize taxes, and adjust risk levels instantly. Wealthy people don't trust guesswork. They trust data. 6. Private equity platforms. AngelList, Seed Invest, Our Crowd. Here's a viral hook. The rich don't invest in companies when you hear about them, they invest years before you do. According to EY's 2025 Global Wealth Research, alternative investments, PE, VC, real estate, private credit, continue growing among high-net-worth individuals. Platforms like AngelList and Seed Invest give accredited investors early access to startups, pre-IPO deals, and private companies. This is where the wealthy multiply their money long before stocks ever reach the news. 5. BlackRock Aladdin. Now we enter the tools that handle real power. BlackRock's Aladdin is one of the largest risk analysis platforms in the world. As of 2025, it manages risk monitoring for over $21 trillion in assets. Wealth managers and institutions use Aladdin to analyze threats, model market volatility, and optimize large portfolios. The wealthy rely on this platform to avoid disasters before they happen. When the world is panicking, Aladdin users already adjusted their strategy. 4. Goldman Sachs Marquee. Goldman Sachs designed Marquee for institutional investors, but wealthy private clients use it too. It's a digital platform with advanced analytics, real-time market modeling, and risk simulations. In 2025, private clients increasingly relied on Marquee for hedging strategies and complex investment decisions. This tool lets the wealthy test what-if scenarios before acting. Imagine being able to simulate your financial future before making a move. That's how the rich stay rich. 3. JP Morgan Wealth Plan. JP Morgan's Wealth Plan exploded in popularity in 2025. This tool provides portfolio tracking, long-term goal modeling, market insights, and tax optimization strategies. It's used by millions of JP Morgan clients, including high-net-worth individuals who want their financial life organized in one clean interface. Wealth Plan allows rich investors to see how today's decisions affect their next 30 years, in real time. This clarity is what helps them act faster and smarter than everyone else. 2. Reuters Icon. Now we reach the legendary tools. Reuters Icon is used by hedge funds, private banks, and serious investors worldwide. In 2025, Icon expanded its machine learning models and predictive tools, giving wealthy users deeper insights into commodities, global trade, corporate activity, and geopolitical risks. Icon gives information faster than news channels literally. When major financial events happen, Icon users are the first to know. This is how the wealthy invest early and exit early. 1. Bloomberg Terminal. Finally, the king of kings. Bloomberg Terminal remains the most powerful financial tool in the world. Costing over $27,000 per year, it's used by billionaires, hedge fund managers, institutional investors, and central banks. The terminal provides real-time market data, economic indicators, company filings, news analytics, bond pricing, derivatives info, and, most importantly, institutional flow. That means Bloomberg users literally see where the big money is moving before anyone else. If you want to know why the rich always just happen to know what to buy or sell, this is the reason. So there you have it, 15 real, factual, verified tools the wealthy use to grow and protect their money. No fantasy, no fiction, no conspiracy, just better systems, better information, and better decisions. Most people rely on luck. The wealthy rely on data. And now that you know the tools they use, the next step is up to you. If you found this eye-opening video, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications because more wealth-building insights are coming. And tell me in the comments, which tool do you wish you had access to right now? See you in the next video.